A conversation at the grocery store, asking for items, prices, and directions. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some useful English phrases for shopping at a grocery store. Whether you are looking for specific items, asking for prices, or finding your way around the store, these simple phrases will help you. Let's get started. Imagine you have just arrived at the grocery store. You want to buy some groceries, but you don't know where the items are. Here's how you can ask for help. For the dialogues, I will play your character. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
Where can I find bread?
The bread is in aisle 3.
Thank you. And where can I find milk?
Milk is in the dairy section, which is near the back of the store.
Now, let's see. You found the items, but you want to know the price. This is how you can ask. Excuse me, how much this loaf of bread?
That loaf of bread is 40 rupees.
Thank you. How much are these apples?
The apples are 150 rupees per kg.
Great. I will take some. Can you also tell me how much this bottle of juice is?
The juice is 120 rupees.
Thank you. Sometimes grocery stores are big and you might get lost. Here's how you can ask for direction to different parts of the store. Excuse me, I am looking for the frozen foods. Can you tell me where they are?
The frozen foods are in aisle A near the back.
Thank you. And where's the meat section?
The meat section is near the front, close to the deli.
Thanks again. Now, if you are looking for something specific, you might need to ask for detailed questions. Here are some examples. Excuse me, do you have any gluten-free bread?
Yes, we do. It's in the health food section.
Great. Could you also tell me where to find almond milk?
The almond milk is with the regular milk in the dairy section.
Thank you. One more thing. Do you have any organic vegetables?
Yes, the organic vegetables are in the produce section to the right.
Thanks so much for your help. Dear viewers, when you are finished shopping, you will need to check out. Let's learn how to talk to the cashier. Hello, I'm ready to check out.
Great. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thank you. Can I ask for there are any discounts on the cereal?
Yes, it's 10% off today.
Perfect. Do I need a store card for the discount?
Yes. Do you have one?
No, I don't.
That's okay. I can apply the discount for you.
Thank you. Sometimes we need to return or exchange an item. Yes, how you can do that? Excuse me, I bought this yesterday, but I'd like to return it.
Okay. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like to exchange it for something else or get a refund?
I'd like a refund, please.
Sure. I'll process that for you.
And that's it, viewers. Now you know how to have a simple conversation at the grocery store. You can ask for items, check prices, get discounts, and even return things if needed. I hope this helps you feel more confident next time you go for shopping. That's all, viewers. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this video helpful. See you next time.